Congress resolutions, the previous Congress, that is 2014, it is the nature of this dialogue that people may differ on. But the principle of dialogue is agreed within the MDC. We were supposed to settle the issue of dialogue at the extraordinary Congress on Sunday. Unfortunately, because of the events that took place, we were unable to deal with that issue. That will be decided before we make a pronouncement by the National Council when we sit in January. But certainly we will have a settled answer regarding that. I don't want to preempt the National Council. But one thing I can confirm is that we are for national dialogue. There are processes that we have to take that involve the National Council. A president is allowed to make proposals in what he thinks is in the best interest of the party to a higher organ, that is the National Council. This National Council will be sitting as an extension of Congress to complete the unfinished business of Congress. And that issue will be put there. You may know that the issue of the S in the MDC constitution when it comes to vice presidents was decided upon by the Supreme Court, and it is up to the National Council. I don't need to be on the payroll of ZANU-PF at all. This is what opponents who are trying to discredit you do. I do not become a member of ZANU-PF because I've disagreed with you. I was a good member of this party until I disagreed with certain people after the coming in of the Supreme Court judgment. And because of that, I suddenly, in their estimation, became ZANU-PF. Those people who are accusing me of that know for certain that I am not. But people do these things as part of mudslinging and so on. So we will be redressing that, and you will see for yourselves. This country will see for itself whether I am ZANU-PF or not. I'm now the leader of this party. The direction that this party will take will answer all these questions. At any rate, when we say we want to work with the ruling party, it does not mean that we want to be part of the ruling party. We want to work with them. They are a government. We want to take them to account. And we can only take them to account when we interact with them. We interact with them in parliament already. So we work with them in parliament. We interact with them in local government. So we work with them in local government. Of the matter is that we have two leaders, three leaders actually. We have Vice President Khupe in the National Assembly. She will lead in the National Assembly. We have Engineer Mudzuri, again subject to the National Council, and of course his attitude towards it. He will be heading the opposition within the Senate. And in the entire administration, in the entire setup, there will be a leader, and that will be myself. But whether it will be the technical leader of the opposition, as you put it, we are discussing that, and so on. But I have no intention of victimizing anyone. I have no intention of recalling anybody, unless, of course, people want to be recalled. But I think that it's not in our nature to be retributive. I know that there were a lot of things that were said